Okay, you guys, I thought I was done with teacher appreciation, but I am not. I need one more gift. My son asked me to make, let's turn on the heat press, one last gift for his reading. He has an extra help in reading because he has a hard time reading, Antonio. And I got him a like a substitute, not a substitute, but like a tutor, and her name is Miss Cece. And he's like, Mom, I want to give something to Miss Cece for teacher appreciation day. And I said, yes, of course. And I said, yes, of course. So then I was thinking, I wanted to make the apple in the green, and I didn't have a chance. And I'm like, what better way than to do the apple now in the green? So we're gonna put the whole thing together right now. Might be a long video, but I don't care. What do you guys think? Green apple? I think that's cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my parchment paper in there. And I might cut it a little bit so it won't give me such a hard time. Let me do that right now. I'm tired of it giving me like a hard time. So I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, I see, it's crooked right here. And hopefully that helps. Now I'm gonna cut a couple of these because I need to use them. Like, I don't think I need the parchment paper on here, but you never know. Okay, so we're gonna put our apple. I don't want it not too high. Remember, not too low. I need it just right. And I think this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna do 30. Okay. I'm gonna do 15. And I'm gonna let that set. Okay, so we're gonna let that set. We're gonna move on to the next one. And I'm gonna make a quick bookmark for her. I know I could have made these together with the other videos, but my son was like, please. And I was like, okay. So cool. We're doing a whole little gift right now. I'm gonna use one of Chrissy's papers that she sent me, of course. Already pre-made. Thank you, bestie. This makes it way easier. I'm gonna attach it right there. I'm gonna use the small scraper to make sure this is perfect. I don't want no bubbles. Get rid of any of the bubbles. Make sure there's no bubbles. If there is, bring them all the way to the end and make those bubbles disappear. Okay, that looks good. Okay, we're gonna remove it. Like so. I'm gonna actually use the same one to the Miss Cece. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna pull up the Miss Cece and just bring it on, and we're gonna put it right in the middle. So right there is perfect. And let's see if that'll lift perfectly. So far, so good. And that looks really nice. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the white. Always have trouble getting it in, but once it's you got it, you got it. Wow, this came out really pretty. Okay, we're gonna put it in here. This way. And we're gonna bring it out through here. Okay, so this is one of the gifts that is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and see how this apple is doing. Hopefully it is set and it is beautiful. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and preset it again. Nothing major. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my little leaf. I decided to use a green, a lighter green, so you can't like, what do you guys think? I think that is so cute. It matches the bookmark as well. So we're gonna go ahead and set that. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around and do the 15. I'm gonna let that dry. So let that dry. And while that is drying, I'm gonna show you the gift card holder that I made. How cute is this? You pull it from here. And I made these. I was lucky enough to find these beautiful, adorable teacher's gift card at Starbucks. I'm gonna write them on in the back. I really got lucky with these cards, let me tell you. And this is how it goes. You pull it out, you put your gift card as well as your gift card. And then you just slide it back in. And isn't that adorable? Okay, so let's finish putting this gift together. Let me go ahead and get something from my background. And I have these adorable pens that I picked up from Walgreens for 50 cents, I think, or maybe a quarter in the after Christmas sale. When I saw the colors, I thought of teacher appreciation. And right there, I'm telling you, that set the whole gift up. Okay, so let's see if this is ready. Perfect. I am loving this. I'm going to go ahead and set it. And then put that away. You guys, what do you guys think? We just made a super fast, easy gift, personalized, that if I wanted to put her name there, I could. Gifts ready to give this teacher. I'm going to put the pens in there. I'm going to put her bookmark. And then her gift card. What do you guys think? Oh my God, it is adorable. My son is going to be so happy that I just whipped up this little cute, easy gift, but yet you can make it affordable by adding $100 to that gift card or $50 and add a couple of chocolates. You can do whatever you want. I made a customized bookmark as well as a gift card for coffee, and I'm loving the pen set. So let me know what you guys think. Happy Teacher Appreciation Day, week. You guys deserve a month. Thank you so much for everything you do. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. And until next time, bye you guys.